Welcome back everyone to another episode of Friday Fabric Finds for the week of October 18th, 2024. It's almost spooky season. My name is Justin. I'm a photographer and product adder.
And then I'm Mason, the inventory specialist.
This is a series where we go through the Friday newsletter that gets released on Fridays, and we go out into the studio and show you guys that fabric in person. So without further ado, let's get started.
So first for y'all, we obviously have the Friday bundle of the week, which is Sunny Side Up, which is patterns that are from different blender collections that we have. They're all assortments of yellow, but it is from blenders such as Bliss, Lush, Chroma, Radiance, Tonal Trios, Luminous, Flow, and Intermix. Make sure to brighten up your stash with our Sunny Side Up Friday bundle.
Next, we have a Western group for y'all called Saddle Ranch from Moda Fabrics. This group features the full collection yardage, fat quarter bundles, layer cakes, charm packs, jelly rolls, patterns, and the Rocky Ridge quilt kits, Cactus quilt kits, and the Starstruck Stripes table runner kits. This group features patterns such as cowboys, boots, hats, horseshoes, bandanas, and a patchwork cheetah print in colors of red, brass, turquoise, and denim. Rustle up some Western quilts with Saddle Ranch.
Next collection we have for y'all is from Wilmington, which is the Summertime Daydream collection, which we have the full collection of yardage, 10-inch squares, 5-inch squares, 2.5-inch strips, the Summertime Daydream quilt kit, the Made the Grade quilt kit, the tote bags kits, and the Running Point table runner kit. The patterns in this collection feature roses, daisies, polka dots, plaids, grid texture, and stripes in colors of red, white, and blue. So very patriotic looking collection. So make sure to make your summer projects bloom with Summertime Daydream.
Next, we have a group for you guys called So Far So Good from Timeless Treasures, so spelled S-E-W. This group features the assorted yardage and fat quarter bundles. And this group features patterns such as sewing tools, scissors, spool labels, and colors of black and some red, blues, greens, yellows, and oranges. So make sure to make every stitch count with So Far So Good.
The next collection we have for y'all is from Marcus. It is called Blue Crush. We have the full collection of yardage and fat quarter bundles. The patterns for this collection are florals, fancy tiles, stripes, and textures with colors of blue, green, and white. So make sure to bring the Caribbean vibes to your projects with Blue Crush.
We have a sale, as always, for you guys on a quilt kit called Sweet Land from Old Glory. This kit was originally priced at $169.96 and is now on sale for $99.99. Huge steal, so be sure to go add a little sparkle to your stash with the Sweet Land Quilt Kit.
Next, we have a collection of panels from Hoffman, which is the Call of the Wild panels, which is digitally printed panels that are also assorted wildlife and scenic stunning panels. The colors are just vibrant hues of all the great outdoors. There is bison, horses, polar bears, foxes, highland cows, deserts, cabin in the woods, and a cabin in the snow. So make sure to bring the beauty of nature to your projects with the Call of the Wild panels.
All right, everyone. Next, we have Minnick and Simpson's final collection, which is the designer for this group. And this final collection is called Grand Haven from Moda Fabrics. This group features the full collection yardage, fat quarter bundles, layer cakes, jelly rolls, charm packs, the Brayburn boxed quilt kits, Liberty Bell quilt kits, and the Nantucket quilt kits. This group features patterns such as florals, stars, dots, paisleys, and checks and plaids in colors of red, white, and blue. Another patriotic themed group. So be sure to capture the vibes of a beach lover's paradise with Grand Haven.
Next for y'all is some ornament kits we have for y'all. They're Crochet Ornament Kits by Needle Creations. These ornaments include the yarn, the floss, the fiberfill, crochet hook, needle, eyes, and the other miscellaneous embellishments that you'll need. And there's 3 different types. There is a Santa one, an elf, and a deer. Make sure to crochet your way to the Holly Jolly Christmas with our Crochet Ornaments Kit.
Second to last thing we have for you guys is the October Bargains. This is a page on our website where you can find remnants, kits, notions, and who knows what else on sale. So be sure to check daily because we update daily.
All right, lastly for y'all, we have the comment of the week, which is where we pull a comment from last week's episode to read in this week's show. And today we have Barbara H. 2281 with her saying, another good video, thank you. Love the tree fat quarter bundle. Got that right here. I know a lot of people are loving that. Wish you had previewed the Moda 50 years fabrics. Would have liked to see the 4 different patterns of that fabric. And she was right about the small iron looks alone on the small shelf. Well, First off, if you look over at the iron, we got a little buddy over there for Halloween over there. Ooh. He's just chilling out with the iron right now. So we did add a little something right there. And then also talking about the Moda 50 years fabrics, we'll just give y'all a little glimpse of that just because y'all asked.
And last week, you know, I kind of went out of town. Didn't have as much to edit the video and whatnot. I had to get it like a little earlier. And I kind of thought afterwards, on my way to where I was going, I was kind of like, man, I feel like I should have shown that fabric. And sure enough, people commented about it. So to make up for it, we have Mitchell here. We're going to show you guys this fabric. I think on the other side, it has the other print. So as you can see, it is 4 different blenders down the width of the fabric.
You like this?
Yeah, perfect.
That way they can see it.
So, like we said, this has 11 different SKUs on it for 11 different colors. I don't exactly remember what the colors are right now. Each one of these bolts are gonna have these different prints. Once again, sorry about that for not showing, but hopefully this makes up for it.
Yeah.
Thank you guys so much for watching this episode of Friday Fabric Finds. It's actually the last episode of Friday Fabric Finds before you're a married man.
Oh,
congratulations.
Yes.
That's
Thank you.
awesome.
Thank you.
We're so very excited for you.
Appreciate it.
If you enjoyed, please leave a like, subscribe, and ring that bell so you get notified when we make uploads. You can leave a comment. You might be featured for comment of the week. And make sure to follow us on social media. All the links will be down in the description below. And with that being said, we will see you guys next week for another episode.